Hey, what's up? Today is January 18th. I'm here working on the lawnmower CAD. So I went through, since it's snowing out, I'm going to convert it into like a snowplow, snowblower thing. That way it can work on the driveway, and then if it doesn't work in the grass, we can always change it slightly in the future and everything. I got some wood from Home Depot. It's like 6 millimeters thick and everything. It's kind of cool. And then I also have these caster wheels. Caster wheels that I also got from sorry, not Home Depot, Menards. We got it from Menards. They had 15% off. So I got some of that. I went through and CAD'd up the caster wheel here, so it does that. It even like spins and everything, and is really cool. And then over here is currently what I have for the snowblower lawnmower chassis. I've got some 4-inch Vex Robotics traction wheels. I've got our 2 caster wheels in the back. I have the 775s going directly into the wheel. I got like a shaft collar in here somewhere. I had to make a custom 3D printed plate back here to hold the caster wheel. And these are all the Vex 832 bolts, 1/2 inch each with the nylon lock nuts. I've got some of the other little like corner brackets from the other lawnmower. I'm still looking to figure out a way to put the Victors in here, the battery, and the CTRE power distribution panels, and like the hero board. So that's our next step. So I think that'll be the next time I check in, is kind of once I get all of those pieces put somewhere in the chassis. I think if I just use some wood and then make some like 3D printed brackets or something like that to mount everything, it should be good. And then I'm debating on whether or not to put Lexan across the top and across the bottom, because we need to stop the snow from getting in on top and on bottom and everything. We'll see about that. Other than that, I still need to order the parts for this, so I'm trying to finish up the CAD as soon as possible. That way I can get to ordering parts and actually be able to build it before all the snow goes away, because we haven't gotten much snow to begin with, and I really don't want to build all this and then not have any snow. So anyways, we'll check back in whenever I finish CADing up the robot. Okay, I have some wood here. Got it from Menards. It's a 6 millimeter by 12 inches by like 24 inches. We're going to go ahead and cut this down to be the side walls and the base platform for the battery for the chassis for the lawnmower and snowblower. So okay, well, we cut the wood. Here are all the pieces. We got a couple 9 inches, 7, a couple like 8 or whatever, and we're gonna go ahead and put these on the CNC mill, and we're gonna carve out these sides and all that stuff. Okay, I'm not exactly sure where I left off in the last update, but here we have the lawnmower chassis, snowblower chassis, pretty well finished, pretty well roughed out. We have a platform now for the battery. We got to move some other things and put some holes in here still, but all of the sides are looking pretty good. We got holes up here. We got to put holes over here eventually, but this is about what it's going to look like and stuff like that. Now I have a test piece because I'm going to start CNCing this. So I have a test piece here with a bunch of holes. I loaded it into Fusion 360, and I did the manufacturing, all the stuff you need for that. So we're gonna go over ahead and throw it on the CNC and try it out. Okay, our wood is in place, our work boundary is set, so now all we have to do is hit start and it should cut. Okay, the Snapmaker just finished. As you can see, it is all cut out and very beautiful. So we're gonna go ahead and take this over to the YouTube studio and see how it did. Okay, so as you can see, the holes lined up perfectly. Everything fit. All the screws are literally exactly where they're supposed to be. One of the problems I had with the lawnmower is I was manually drilling all of the holes, so these wouldn't be exactly where they had to be. So in order to counteract that, I'd have to make the holes really big and put a washer and everything, and it was really, really annoying. So with the CNC, it literally drills it out perfectly and exactly where it needs to be. The 832s also fit perfectly, along with the 632s. So everything is exactly where it should be. So now we need to take our other parts, put it in the Fusion, and then put it on the Snapmaker. Okay, here is the first official part for the L1.2. This is the side walls and everything. And it worked great. Snapmaker did awesome, did everything it was supposed to. And here's to 4 more. Okay, well, we made good progress today on the wood for the lawnmower and everything. We got one of the side walls done and stuff like that. And then I was gonna cut the second side wall, and I made the mistake of running the boundary while it was almost touching the wood, and because the wood warps, it accidentally hit a high spot and I broke my CNC bit, which really sucks. So I'm putting a pause on the CNC thing until I can get some more bits, and I'm switching over to the 3D printing now, so I can 3D print all of my little like corner gussets to like attach the Lexan and like the other pieces of wood and everything. So yeah, kind of sucks that I broke my CNC bit, but you know what? What are you gonna do about it, I guess? So, you know, life moves forward. You learn a lesson. I hope you guys can learn a lesson off of my mistakes. And yeah, we're gonna 3D print our gussets, and then hopefully Monday, or hopefully someday, we can get our CNC bits, finish it. Hopefully whenever there's still snow here that we can still plow off our driveway. And yeah, so for now, I guess I'll catch you guys up whenever the 3D printing finishes. Alright, we got our package today from Vex, all the way from Greenville, Texas. Thank you. In here is our motor. We have a second Victor. We're using a 775 Pro, by the way. Our planetary mount. We've got some bolts, some lock nuts. What else do I have in here? Some wheels. And then, I think that's it, actually. I think that's it. We'll see. We'll open it up and we'll check what I got. Actually, I can see right here. Some nuts, some bolts, first planetary Victor, a half-inch tech shaft, and the wheel, and then some Versa hubs. So very, very exciting stuff down here for the lawnmower. Lawnmower, snowplow, you know, same thing. Here are the caster wheels, by the way. I think I showed this in a previous update, but here they are. They're going to get mounted to this little mount gusset that I made. So boom, there's everything. So now I'm going to go through, I got to assemble the motor. I have to, not the motor, assemble the planetary, put the motor on it, and do some other stuff. So 775 Pro, first planetary mount, and 775 Pro Connect. Awesome. Alright, well let me go and assemble all this stuff, and we'll update you soon. So we had a problem this morning. I went to go and test out our new motor, our 775 Pro. Plugged the battery in, plugged the Victor into the hero board and all that stuff, and into the power distribution breakout board, and everything went great. It powered the motor and it spun. However, it spun at full speed and I couldn't control it. It turns out I put the power into the Victor backward, and I think I fried it, and now it doesn't work and everything, and now I'm having problems with the hero board. That doesn't want to work either. So yeah, it was a rough day today. Not a very good not making very good progress. We broke a CNC bit, and now we've broken a Victor SPX and the CTRE hero board. So yeah, kind of a weird update video. Just a lot of progress and then a lot of backtracking, somewhat. So yeah, this video has been kind of weird to make. It's been kind of all over the place, it feels. I apologize. The next video, I'm gonna try and first clean up this desk so it's not a mess, and also make it so that way you guys can follow along easier, and I'm gonna try and put some more effort into like making the video and everything. So yeah, hopefully. And hopefully in the next video, this thing will be running and out pushing snow and I can be inside. So thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed it, hit like. If you have any comments about the chassis, about the motors, me breaking my Victor SPX, then yeah, leave a comment down below and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Who knows?